5 ways to prevent damage to your kidneys. The kidneys are responsible for filtering the blood and removing waste products. They also produce erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates red blood cell production. The kidneys are one of the most important organs in the body. There are several ways to prevent damage to your kidneys, which is crucial for people on dialysis or on kidney transplant waiting lists. 1. Drink lots of fluids. The kidneys filter all of your blood, so it's important to drink enough water or other liquids so they can do their job effectively. 2. Eat low-sodium foods. Avoiding salt will lower the risk of high blood pressure, which can often lead to kidney disease. 3. Manage diabetes. People with diabetes should keep an eye on their sugars and monitor their medications. 4. Monitor your blood pressure. It is recommended that you monitor your blood pressure at least twice a day for the first month after you are diagnosed with high blood pressure. More frequent monitoring may be needed if your blood pressure is consistently high. Make sure to check your blood pressure before taking any medications, as some medication can alter the way the readings work. 5. Get active. There are many benefits to becoming more active in your everyday life. Research suggests that people who exercise regularly report feeling happier, healthier, and more energetic. Conclusion: prevention is key in keeping your kidneys healthy. If you wanted to be as healthy as possible, the best thing you could do is to keep your kidneys healthy. And the best way to do that is to eat a healthy diet and drink plenty of water. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that next time I upload, you will be the first to see the video. Watch the next video on breast cancer. Goodbye for now.